fuck up my snap.
Right.
What's up, guys?
Hey! What's going on, guys?
Hot scoops.
We got hot scoops.
Hot scoops.
Yeah. So we're here with a review again of the last hurtberry farm sauce we have
That's
from
got
Uncle.
a whole bunch of mushrooms I've never heard of.
Wild
in my
mushroom
life.
and crab apple cider hot sauce.
There's chicken of the woods mushroom in there. I don't know what that is.
All kinds. I'm not going to read it all out. That's a lot of different things.
Yeah, you let me read it out.
And I got a surprise for Kim from Pepper Princess. She doesn't know what it is at all. Hello? Oh.
It's a real wooden spoon.
We got some free seeds. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you for your purchase. I appreciate you a millions.
Well, that's exciting. How to grow them.
Late for work.
I didn't even order that one.
Late for work.
Well, that's exciting. And a free spoon. That's super exciting. Thank you so much for that. For some free seeds and a free spoon. Yeah, I saw she was making these hand burnt little spoons.
This is a little guy.
You can't beat it. $5. $5.
Plus shipping.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
Many blessings.
nice. More. Ahila mo. Hello?
Ah, there it is. It's about the right way. There we go.
Many blessings.
That's your spoon.
I mean, it's not no hot scoop, but this is actually really nice. Pretty good for
It's
being
my
like
kind of bloop spoon.
one of them like hand burnt little burner thingies. What are they called? I can't remember what they're
Wood
called.
burners?
Wood burner. Just light the wood on fire.
This is a perfect little bloop spoon.
It really is. Like, this is gonna look really small in my hand.
In your bear paw.
Hey guys, we're back.
Okay.
Third time. I forgot to delete my deleted.
Yeah, he deleted a bunch of videos to make room to film the video, but didn't delete the deleted.
63 of them at that.
Because apparently you gotta delete what you already deleted.
It's like you delete it and it's like, but we're still here.
Are you sure?
Not even. It just goes to the deleted folder.
We'll give you 30 days to be sure.
If you don't, if you don't delete it in 30 days, we'll delete it for you. But it still takes up all the space. Anyways, we're back with the little baby spoons.
And this.
You got it? Go ahead.
No.
Do your bloop.
It's so liquidy, it's gonna be hard to boop it.
Smell test.
It's got a bubble.
Smell test.
Boop.
Smell test.
Are you asking for you to smell it? Okay.
Smells like vinegar.
It smells like vinegar.
Because, you know, she just shoved it in my nose.
You wanted to be a smart ass? I gave you a smart
Well, we always smell it before you taste it.
Ooh. Sorry, my fingers look crappy.
Yeah, a
work
lot
in
of
warehouse.
vinegar.
A lot of vinegar. I mean, I don't know.
I know it's not going to taste like it because it's Hurtberry Farms.
I don't know what these mushrooms that are in it taste like. So it's not like it. I'm sorry, it's bigger than your fingers. Please block my face out. You look like Riley. When she's trying to do something focused and she gets real up
Well, I
on
didn't
it.
want to spill it everywhere.
Fucking chicken wing.
This is going to hurt. Maybe? Okay, that's pretty good.
The vinegar though. It's actually pretty good.
It looks good too. You can see all the like, little
Honestly?
thingy dingies.
Oh, I'm sorry, what?
That's really tasty.
That's actually really good. But I don't know what I would put this on. Like, what would you put this
I
on?
think I gotta.
Gotta cleanse your palate.
Chewing on something.
Is it a piece of mushroom?
I think it's a crab apple.
Mm.
It's pretty good. I don't know what flavor I get out of it.
I have no idea.
Like, I get like a little sourness. Which
Like-
could be, you know, from the vinegar,
Why am I thinking like
apple.
taco sauce?
Well, of course. Any hot sauce is a taco sauce.
Okay, valid. I have never tasted those flavors though. Got tired of your tonic spoon?
Steak.
It would good. Ooh.
This would be good with food and steak.
It would be good with food.
Definitely chicken, of course. You can marinate chicken with this.
No way.
But steak.
It would be good on food. No way.
Someone once told me that.
Okay, so you gonna make me steak because I don't know how to cook steak? Yep. Yep.
Well, yeah, I know you don't know how to cook steak.
I don't know how to cook
That's
like
good.
anything.
That's good. And it's thyme. There's a little bit of thyme in this.
Oh.
So that's what I was chewing on.
Hmm.
Little pieces. Recommend faux.
10 out of 10.
Sure. I deleted my video, so it's still recording.
Shocking. I didn't have to go for a round 4.
Check out Hurtberry Farm.
Sure, so do it.
They got some good stuff.
I haven't had anything bad from them yet.
Not at all.
Jayson, oh, it's on me.
Yep. Boom. So now we got 2 new spoons. We got the Hot Scoop 2.0 and the Pepper Princess Wood Burnt.
Oh, 1.0. Classic.
It's a classic. You can't beat it.
2.0.
Boom.
Look at this. Look at that grip handle.
You're not dropping shit.
Look at that. Look at that deep. It's deep.
All right. Thanks for watching the Awkward Car review. It's been great. Hurtberry Farms, definitely top of the line from Canada.
Okay.
If you find them anywhere else. Oh, Old Agnes has Hurtberry Farms on their site. Just found out.
Can I put a J there
So,
so I can't steal it?
if you're in America, Old Agnes has some of their sauces. If they don't have them, go on to Hurtberry Farms website, order it,
Order it.
and be blessed.
Blessed.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Nope.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Try the new one. Come on, Kim.